Ako muna siya introduction?
Ano yung introduction natin?
Sana magustuhan nyo to
Okay.
kanta ko at saka maganda naman gawin ko para sa pamilya ko at sa lahat ng tao na nanonood sa akin.
Sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa'yo, di ba? Artista ka.
Thank your, you should thank your sponsors.
I want to
Makeup,
I
shoes.
want to thank my people and I want to thank my family.
Your dress. Who made your dress? Your shoes, your makeup. Okay, so what is your song?
My song is which is English and it's so nice.
Okay, so nice. Dance? Dance. You stand there and dance. Lyric?
I love you, man. I love you, Mama. I love you.
Oh, may bukas pa.
Love you, man. I love you, Mama. I love you so much. I love you all my life.
Next song, next song.
Ikaw yung saan.
Mapalungan na.
Message is to like us.
Ay, nito usap.
Like, sana magustuhan nyo to bilang isang magandang song at saka sana magustuhan nyo din ko.
Sa ilo mo yan i-dedicate.
Go!
Dito sa auto, ano kayo mo?
Walls are built.